Okay, this is just a very quick video that is set up to help students prepare for final exams in my English classes for this semester. So what should you be looking at in terms of your review cycle for the final? So what will be on the exam, this is just going to be a very quick outline with some possible examples. So section number 1 will be a sentence writing section, and it is sentences that are going to be about the main concepts that we've covered throughout the semester. Um, so 5 to 7 sentences I'll be asking you to write from our different types of sentence structures, things like compound sentences, complex A, complex B, academic, and I will be asking you to also make sure those sentences are specifically answering the topic choice that I'm focusing on. So I might ask you to write, for example, about one of the short stories that we read, like river rafting on the Puntledge, um, uh, another example would be some of those short historical stories that we looked at throughout the semester, like the story about Pizarro and his men and how they invaded the Inca Empire. So I might ask you to write a compound sentence on that topic. So one of the points about this section is make sure that you read the prompt for each question very carefully and that you are on topic. Okay, section number 2. I've written a brand new short story. It's not very long, it's about 700 words long, and you will have to read that short story and then analyze it from a literature perspective, like we've been learning throughout the semester, talking about things like themes, setting, characters, and then the more difficult advanced concepts like simile, metaphor, symbolism, personification. I'll be looking for those words and concepts to appear in your analysis, and this should be a properly structured paragraph, meaning you'll have to follow that structure that we've laid out, where you have a clear topic sentence that states what you're going to be discussing. And I'm also looking for citations to support your ideas. And of course, you'll be pulling the citation directly from the story itself. So you would use the author's last name, which is my name, Finlayson. The year of publication is 2020. And of course, there will be page number available because on the exam itself, there will be a page number in the top right-hand corner, so you can use that page number. Good, so I will be looking for a clear and insightful analysis of the short story. And section number 3 will be a poetry analysis, or the analysis of a poem. I've written a brand new poem today and added it to the final exam. And again, just like the video that I've uploaded in terms of extra support for this alternate method of delivery of our content, I'm asking you to use the exact same type of analysis that I've highlighted there. And this shows you the breakdown of the points: 20 for the sentences, 15 for the short story, 15 for the poem analysis, and booyah, that is the final exam.